Growing up, like so many other Australian kids, you know, we spent so much time at the beach and just hold so many of those childhood memories and weekends spent down there and things like that. So for us, it's something that's, I think, is really important for us to, you know, develop that message into our kids.
We've always loved the idea of Take 3 because it's such a simple act of taking 3 pieces of rubbish, but if everyone did that, imagine the change that would happen.
When you look at the impact of this global movement of people picking up little bits of trash, it adds up. Over 10 million items of trash are being removed every year. That Take 3 for the Sea hashtag has been used over 90,000 times in 129 countries just on Instagram. At the moment, a lot of us work from home, we work in co-working places. All our files and all our accounting and everything is done here, but as you can see, there's not a lot of space. We're so excited to be moving into our very own office space, and it's a space that we can really see opportunities, not just for creating that beating heart of the organisation, but running workshops and events and nurturing local volunteers and people passionate about the environment. And of course, we're just so stoked at how many people are coming together to turn this office into this wonderful space.
My first impression was I couldn't help but look down at the floor, and that's because my ankles were covered in fleas. Look, I think we can work with any space we've got, but there was some big issues with natural light, and that was the main thing. When you walked in, even though it was a bright sunny day outside, it felt like a dark dungeon.
This place is a bit of a dive. There's no hiding it, but it's got to get worse before it gets better. Let there be light. Yeah, obviously we didn't have like a huge budget. We're not looking to knock out, you know, a heap of walls and bring in all new kitchen cabinetry, but it just goes to show what you can achieve with a little budget and a little bit of know-how. One of the things we set out to do is have a big working bee on one of the weekends, and obviously Tim and Take 3 have got a really good connection and a lot of people support Take 3 for the Sea, so we're like, let's get everyone on board for a big working bee. We had landscapers there, we had plant arrivals, we had materials from Mitre 10.
We had carpenters, we had tilers, we had the local cafe rocking up with sweets.
We had about 15 people on a paintbrush painting one wall at a time.
We had Grant doing an awesome mural, injecting colour into that space as you first walk in.
I was doing heaps of stuff that day, like, yeah. Seriously, what is he doing? Mate, can you let Kit Kat more work?
I had a child attached to me all day. It was hot, but it was good vibes.
At the end of the day, we've turned a dingy fibro shack into like a really beautiful, creative space, and it's somewhere that Take 3 are going to be able to grow, they're going to be able to feel inspired, and they're going to be there for years to come.
Big thank you to all the smaller companies and handmade items that were donated. I wish I could thank you all in this very short video, but thank you from the bottom of our heart.
You know, it's been a big love job, but I really want to make special thanks to Kincumber Mitre 10, to Velux Skylights, Beaumont Tiles, and Torbans.
Such an honour to work with these guys. We love the work they do, and yeah, we're going to be involved for years to come because these guys are doing really good things.